this in a PIL. It was not at all a PIL, my lord. It was a personal interest litigation, your lordship.
What is the interest of the petitioner? How he is connected with the society?
हमारे पूरी 86 दुकानें हैं ये।
हाँ नहीं होंगी तो उनकी जांच होने में क्या नुकसान है?
हमारा तो स्टे चल रहा है ना सर। ये लॉर्डशिप में जस्ट काइंडली अप्रिशिएट बोलो, बट your lordship directed inquiry against us in a petition in which we are not a party at the behest of a sponsored person, my lord, in a PIL, my lord.
Will not allow such mechanism to operate.
My lord, in fact, they misuse the process of law, my lord, which ought to have been taken note of.
किस चीज का रिव्यू है भाई?
Your Lordship directed an inquiry as such to be conducted, although it's an innocuously worded order, my lord. But the tenor of the order is that you conduct an inquiry on the anvil of 2015 order, decide if it is as per the control order or not. If not, then action taken report. So now, my lord, as per that, it triggered, my lord, and in fact, it was a sponsored litigation, my lord.
It may have been a sponsor.
And the second thing is, my lord, the substantial provision of law, my lord. In fact, the P1 which was unamended.
You are appearing for whom?
I am appearing for the petitioners, my lord. The societies against whom the relief was sought, we were not impleaded even as party respondents.
अच्छा।
The relief was directly against us, my lord.
तो अगर आपने कोई गड़बड़ी नहीं करी तो आपका
Like, इसमें से गड़बड़ी का नहीं था। हमारा तो 2015 के पहले का अलॉटमेंट है, which we had challenged. There are litigation after litigation. The state had undertaken it would not implement 2015 order, my lord, and the writ petitions were disposed of. Then there was an amendment in the 2015 order to the effect whereby multi-purpose societies were added.
Really?
Then 1C, my lord, all old allotments were saved. And yet when they, my lord, again went ahead with the cancellation, my lord, there are several petitioners, at least 5 of them, my lord, out of these who have got stay in their favor, and that petition is still pending.
we don't know. They can be
So-
disposed of in the light of our order. Now the issue is that where they have taken your name.
My lord, in that representation itself, my
No, representation is different in the writ petition.
Yeah.
In the whole writ petition, there is no whisper about your name.
no, your lordship may just kindly see this annexure P3 which they have filed.
हाँ P3.
और लिस्ट जो P2 थी, हमारे पूरी 86 दुकानें हैं ये।
हाँ नहीं होंगी तो उनकी जांच होने में क्या नुकसान है?
हमारा तो स्टे चल रहा है ना सर।
कहाँ स्टे चल रहा है?
ये हमने RP6 लगाया हुआ है
RP6 में देखिए क्या स्टे है?
पेज 52 पे, as an interim measure till the next date of hearing, the party shall maintain status quo in relation to working of the
वर्किंग ऑफ शॉप है ना?
yes ma'am.
ये इसमें ये इस बात का स्टे कहाँ है?
what I just
अरे भाई जांच करने पे कहाँ स्टे है?
Yes, both issues are different, my lord.
There are two different issues.
And at the same
Probably sometime your license was cancelled and you obtained stay from the honorable single bench.
Lord,
Now that is operating. That is operating since 2018.
so your lordship would direct inquiry without hearing the petitioners, my lord.
No. It is not that.
Yes,
It is a general order because there are several shortcomings in the working of the fair price shops,
Yeah.
and therefore we directed them to.
So, your lordship, we are running the shops, and your lordship directed inquiry against us at the behest of a person who had got adverse claim against us. He came, my lord, he in fact planted his cousin who filed a writ petition based on the RTI information that our, my lord, the person against whom we had brought our litigation, my lord. And then this in a PIL, it was not at all a PIL, my lord. It was a personal interest litigation, your lordship.
What is the interest of the petitioner? How he is connected with the society?
Petitioners all on?
In fact, my lord, the representation which my lord has directed to decide, इसमें जो report submit होनी है, that is to be submitted on 7/4.
7/4. Therefore,
ठीक है?
this review.
And now, my lord, thereafter, जो collector साहब को इसमें जो report देनी है, that is in context to whether the shop has to be given to these people or not. Now, my lord, मैं kindly tell you
whether
the
it has
reference.
been issued in compliance of the rules and regulations.
Yes,
or not.
yes. Now, my lord, that issue is also settled by the single bench reference में kindly be seen, my lord.
So, your
Another single bench judgment of उसने ये matter issue decide की है. The amendment which has been carried out by the state, my lord, this is in paragraph number 3.5 reference में. इसमें my lord, the fair price shop allotment has to be done to the gram panchayats, and therefore the petitioners are now in apprehension कि अब इनके पास से निकल के ग्राम पंचायत के पास चले जाएगी. The report जो 7 तारीख को आएगी, that would clarify the situation. At that point of time, my lord, the cause of action may
कलेक्टर
arise.
को कहा तो इनको सबको सुनवाई का मौका देंगे.
Yes,
Your lordship, may kindly see annexure RP3, page 46, my lord.
Yes. RP
6. This validity, well, your lordship directed action to be taken as per P1.
Yes.
P1's provisions were called in question. As regards P1, what was the stand of the state, my lord? Way back in 2015, my lord.
No, no.
The state before division bench said that we are not going to implement it.
I mean,
And the same very thing your lordship directed it.
RP6 is a single bench order. So
RP6, I am allowed at page 44. It's a division bench order.
44 में क्या कहा?
All, my lord, we had challenged, my lord, not only we, my lord, there are several hundreds of writ petitions challenging the validity of 2015 order. There the state government made us
You are referring to page
page 46, 47, my lord.
46, 47 तो RP6 में है नहीं.
हाँ, नहीं RP6 नहीं बोल रहा सर, वो RP3 है वो.
RP3.
हाँ, RP3,
हाँ.
annexure RP3,
हाँ.
at page 47.
Page 47 में क्या?
40. Here, after recording the presence, heard learned counsel for the respondent state on instruction submit that the state government has taken an in principle decision not to act upon the order policy impugned in the respective petitions. Instead, the state is reformulating the policy. A final decision in that behalf will be taken very shortly. In other words, the state government will not act upon the impugned policy by the petitioners as it is propounded. As is propounded as of now, we place on record the statement made by the counsel for the state that formal order has been issued by the appropriate authority not to give effect to the impugned orders policy till 31st of December 2015 in view of the
48 पे आ जाइएगा.
yes, sir. The petitioners will be free to question the proposed policy if it is if it is adverse and fails to address the issues raised by the petitioners in the present petition. That challenge can be considered on its own merits in accordance with law. And thereafter there were
आगे पढ़िए, आगे पढ़िए.
जी, we make it clear that we are not expressing any opinion either way on the merits of the controversy in the context of the impugned orders of the policy, or for that matter, we may not be understood to have expressed any opinion in relation to the proposed policy stroke modified policy to be adopted by the state in
All
future.
questions are left open.
All questions are left open. Now thereafter, my lord, they amended, inserted clause 1C, saving all those old allotments. Despite that, when action was taken, we are before this honorable court and status quo orders are operating. They, my lord, through this circuitous method of deciding representation, my lord, they asked for, my lord, they asked for reopening
It is-
of something which was pending before single benches.
No. It is not opening that.
It is, my lord, the issues are overlapping, my lord. The issues are overlapping. Same where it's a sequel rather.
We'll hear you. We'll direct the registry to list this case before the single bench and get it decided.
Which case, my lord?
जो pending है P6 का. देखिए.
RP6 का.
हाँ, let WP 4957/18 be listed before the
495.
competent bench. Bench having roster to hear that matter, as there is a stay on till 13/3/2018, and that order and the honorable single bench be requested to finally decide the petition without affording any adjournment to any of the parties, and thereafter that order be placed on record. List this case on 28 March 2025.
So, my lord, then till then, my lord, your lordship should
Till then,
stay
see.
operation of, my lord, what? Your lordship may just kindly appreciate, my lord, but your lordship directed a inquiry against us in a petition in which we are not a party at the behest of a sponsored person, my lord, in a PIL, my lord.
Chali. Anything else?
My lord, then in this event, if your lordship is waiting for this outcome of single
Not
benches,
waiting for the outcome. We want to get this petition disposed of. Nothing more
my
than.
lord,
Chali. Nothing more. 28 तारीख को. Thank you. Will not allow such mechanism to operate.
my lord, in fact, they misuse the process of law, my lord, which ought to have been taken note of.